While Photoshop remains the industry standard for high-end professional work and AI-driven features, Gimp, GNU image manipulation program, has several distinct advantages, particularly for users who value freedom, efficiency, and specific platform support. Here is a breakdown of why you must choose Gimp over Photoshop in 2026. 1. Cost and ownership. The most obvious advantage is the price. Completely free, Gimp is open source and free to use forever. There are no monthly subscriptions, hidden fees, or pro versions. Unlike Photoshop, if you stop paying your Creative Cloud subscription, you lose access to the software. Gimp belongs to you. Once downloaded, it works offline indefinitely. 2. System resources and portability. Gimp is significantly lighter than Photoshop, making it ideal for older hardware or streamlined workflows. Gimp typically requires less than 1 GB of disk space, whereas Photoshop can require 20 GB plus. Gimp can run smoothly on machines with 4 GB, 8 GB of RAM, while Photoshop often struggles with anything less than 16 GB when handling complex files, and sometimes struggle with 16 GB of RAM. You can run Gimp from a USB stick, portable apps, without installing it on the host computer, a feat Photoshop cannot easily replicate. 3. Native Linux support. For users in the Linux ecosystem, Gimp is the gold standard. Gimp runs natively on Linux, Windows, and Mac OS, while getting Photoshop to run on Linux requires complex layers or virtual machines, oftentimes glitches. 4. Customization and open source nature. Because Gimp is open source, it offers a level of flexibility that proprietary software doesn't. Gimp allows for deep automation using Python, Scheme, ScriptFoo, C, and C++. You can strip the interface down to only the tools you need, creating a much cleaner workspace than Photoshop's often cluttered environment, which can feel like buttons and gears on airplane, while Gimp interface can be simple to familiarize yourself with. Community plugins. If Gimp lacks a feature, like Photoshop's content-aware fill, there is usually a community-made plugin, like Resynthesizer, that adds it for free. 5. Batch processing. Gimp excels at repetitive tasks. While Photoshop has actions, Gimp's integration with command line tools and dedicated batch processing plugins like BIMP often makes it faster to resize, rename, or apply filters to hundreds of images at once.